FreeReels Daily Check-in Setup, How to Claim Rewards in FreeReels. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how we can claim rewards in FreeReels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to claim your daily check-in rewards in FreeReels, launch the FreeReels app and make sure you're signed into your account. Then from the bottom center, you can see the option that says rewards. So tap on the rewards tool right there. When you do that, at the top, if you've not already redeemed today's check-in, you'll find daily check-in and you'll find the coins you will get with that check-in. So all you have to do is tap on this check-in button from the very top and you will be able to tap the check-in button again and claim today's rewards. If you want, you can also watch a video for extra diamonds. This way you can claim rewards in FreeReels app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.